Malabo pang umuwi ng bansa si dating Congressman Saldico. Ayon po sa kanyang abogado na si Attorney Roy Rondain, natatakot kasi ang kanyang kliyente na mabarel ng isang vigilante o di kay kalaban ho sa politika.
He has a general fear of being shot, whether by a vigilante or by a political enemy. We'll see him as soon as the fear of violence against him abates. So I don't know.
Hindi na bumalik ito, pare Melo.
Hindi na babalik yan.
Oo nga.
For his own good.
Nagkasakit ito, nagka-stiff neck to nagpagamot sa US.
For his own good and for the good of the
what?
Other people.
Huli umanong nakausap ni sino kaya yung other people na yun? Huling nakausap naman ni Rondain si Ko noong isang gabi pero hindi umano niya alam kung nasaan ito. Matatandang nagpunta ho si Ko sa Amerika para umano magpagamot po pero hindi nila alam ngayon kung nasaan na po siya.
Let me be clear.
Sinabi ho ni Rondain na hanggang sa ngayon ay wala pa siyang natatanggap na anumang reklamo laban naman sa kanyang kliyente.
Let me be clear. I have not seen any complaint. I don't know what he's supposed to answer. But that said, ang observation ko is that the Ombudsman Boying Remulla has already said that he intends to file these cases by November 25. That doesn't give them a lot of time for him to answer. The Ombudsman has already prejudged this case.
Iniingan ng GMA Integrated News ang nagtugon ang Office of the Ombudsman sa naturang issue. Samantala, binigyan din ni Rondain na hindi niya nakatanggap ng anumang mga kickback mula sa maanumalyang flood control projects itong si Ko.
If you're asking me whether or not there were deliveries to Representative Ko at any time, no, categorical.
Inalmahan din ng kampo ni Ko ang balak ng gobyerno na bawiin ang kanyang mga ari-arian. Ang nilang mga helicopter na pag-aari ni Ko ay pag-aari ng Misibis Aviation at nabili ito bago pa man maging kongresista itong si Ko.
A civil forfeiture will require proof and a final decision that the forfeited property was illegally acquired. How can something that was acquired by a company 17 years before he became a congressman be illegally acquired?
Tinig po ni Attorney Roy Rondain, abogado po ni dating Congressman Saldico.